Hey streamers, I'm going to do my first tool video. This is on a SW Stevens Walden 4050A 3H drive ratchet. Does have the SW logo there, 4050A. I've had this in my toolbox for years, don't know where it came from. It's my dad's, of course. Nice mechanism to it. I think it's 16 tooth. Nice detent on it. Does have a lube hole up here, right into the mechanism. It's a pear-shaped ratchet. I don't know how much it's been used. I've used it a few times over my lifetime. Can't see a lot of wear on the anvil. It does have a little bit of wear down here on the handle, whether it's box wear or somebody stuck a cheater pipe over it. I don't know. I have no idea how old this thing is. It does have some kind of plating on it. Looks like chrome or nickel. Probably chrome. It's pretty shiny. There is a H somewhere. The camera won't pick it up. Oh, because it's on the other side. There's a little H up here. There it is. Other than the markings down here, that's all I see on the darn thing. I don't know how old it is. I think it's pretty cool. If anybody has any idea how old the thing is, you know, how many years they made them, any other good information, I'd be willing to learn. I try not to use this one much. I just keep it in the box because it was my dad's, and just cleaned it up recently and thought I'd share it with you. Please leave a comment if you know anything about it. If you don't know anything about it, just say hi. Subscribe to my channel. Maybe we'll do some more of these if it works out. Thank you for watching.